There's a light that burns within you, and that light is the spark of life that makes you, you. And I know that 2020 has probably tested you in all sorts of ways that you never expected, and I totally hear you there. And maybe over the last few months, it's felt like that light has gotten dim from time to time because of all that you're experiencing and all that you see around you and the intensity of this global situation and maybe how it's affected you and your family. But here's the thing that I also know is that you probably have either intentionally or accidentally been doing things that stoke the fire of that light by doing things that make you feel more centered and grounded and like yourself. And by doing so, you not only increase your strength, but you're actually proving it. You're proving how resilient you are and that you can do whatever it takes to help yourself feel better. Even if you don't necessarily feel like doing it in the moment, but you know you're gonna feel better after, so you do it anyway. And once you do, you feel more like yourself again. So here's the thing. In order to navigate this crazy situation of life that we all find ourselves in and to come out on the other side of this, you have to keep doing these things that stoke that inner fire by taking the time to do the things that make you feel more like you, that make you feel strong and resilient and determined and hopeful. Because by doing so, you actually make yourself stronger and more resilient and more disciplined and more courageous, which then continues to stoke that inner fire of inspiration and hope so that you can stand in your strength and come back to your heart and come back to your power and continually move forward. And all of that shows that you are a warrior. By continually coming back home to yourself, by taking the time to stoke that inner fire, you continue to use that light to guide you on your path and help you navigate the inevitable waves of life. And the great thing is that you already have all of the qualities of the warrior inside of you. You just need to experience them and express them and put them to use. And I can help you do that. And I'd love to teach you how to do that. And I will in the free Awaken Your Inner Warrior workshop series that starts on Monday, July 6th. This free series is going to teach you how to use the warrior poses in yoga and the ancient story behind them that is filled with meanings and teachings and lessons to awaken the warrior within you. I'd love to have you join us for this free series that will give you a fresh take on an ancient story and help you use these 3 fundamental yoga poses to align your body for strength and vibrant energy, to practice awareness of the inner patterns of the mind and our stories and our beliefs, and to intentionally cultivate the qualities of the warrior that you already have within you to ignite and invigorate your spirit. Click the link to get signed up for this free workshop series that is totally going to help you stoke the fire of that inner light, that vibrant light within you. I would love to have you join us, so click the link to sign up and I will see you there. Until then, take good care. Bye-bye.